Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Historic Midday News. Sorry to interrupt the scheduled program, but we have a breaking news report just in. The conflict in Darfur continues. We have just been notified that President Omar al-Bashir has been put under an arrest warrant due to war crimes. For the past few years, we've been informing you on Darfur, but it's been a while, so we will tell you about it again. If you can remember, Darfur is a conflict with the Muslim Arabs. They are the ones who are known to be associated with the central government, but there's also the Muslim Africans who are rebelling against the central government because they feel as though the government is not meeting their needs and requirements. Arab militia attacked with great force by widespread killing and destroying many food sources. Because of Darfur in 2015, around as many as 300,000 people were said to have died and around 2.7 million people were said to have been taken in as refugees. After speaking with the Sudanese government, we have learned that they are not arming or aiding them in this violent fight.
Many people knew him or Omar al-Bashir as a military school grad and a leader, but the crimes are real. It started in 2003 when peace agreements had seemed to fail. Somehow he stole the seat of prime minister, and here we are. Darfur was just a small place with a small militia and a rebellious attitude towards the main government. Rebel groups began fighting the government of Sudan, which was accused of oppressing Darfur's non-Arab population. The government responded to those attacks by carrying out a horrible campaign of ethnic cleansing against the domain of the non-Arabs. This had resulted in the deaths of thousands of civilians and formal charge or accusation of a serious crime by Sudan's president, Omar al-Bashir, for genocide, war crimes, and crimes against humanity by the International Criminal Court. John Pendergast, a former Clinton administrator, advisor, and founder for the advocacy groups that seek to influence the United States to declare the Darfur violence a genocide, said the implication of that word saved hundreds of thousands of lives. Absent that, it would have been harder to get this on the radar screen. Many people had the same thing to say, and they were all mad with the central government. From the South Sudan region, Garland, Voice 17, out.
Thank you for watching the Historic Midday News and have a great afternoon.